Lamborghini Aventador, the next car that I'm looking to purchase. Listen to that sound. Absolutely beautiful. We are here at AMP Dawsonville at a charity event for some kids that their wish is to be driving in a supercar. We have the track behind me. The cars that are going to be hitting that track. Every weekend we come down here, or not every weekend, every so often we come down here, take the kids around the track, come to a charity event, raise some money. It's a pretty cool thing. Both track, cars, helping kids. Can't get any better than that. Oh, okay.
And yeah, the whole ranch came.
We need this guy to give us video. Get the GoPro's what I need. You been in GT3 RS?
Actually I have before. It was like this but green.
So I used to drive a F.I.R.E. California, and I can tell you that this car is profoundly better. Now the Lamborghini Aventador, which is up front, is probably the awesomest car here. But as far as the track, it's a shame we can't drive fast. But as far as the track is concerned, those would beat a lot of cars that are out there. You go to school?
Do I go to school?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What grade are you?
7th.
7th?
Yeah.
School sucks.
I know that. How big is the track?
I don't even know. Maybe a mile. I'm not quite sure. Did they just tell you guys to come down here, and that's why you run down as far as you can, pick your own car?
Yeah.
Yeah. I wanted. Had to go with the lava orange because that's all that was available. About to see it drive by. Very jealous.